You'll have one less thing to worry about the next time you take your dog for a walk with the Amazon Basics Pet Waste Bags. Thicker than standard bags, these high-quality, leak-proof bags ensure safe, sanitary handling every time. And at 9 inches by 13 inches, these bags fit most standard dispensers while still leaving you enough room to tie a secure knot. The Amazon Basics waste bags come with their own dispenser and carabiner-type leash clip for hands-free carrying, and since it attaches to your leash, you don't have to remember to bring them. The bags detach easily and are printed with an arrow for quick access to the opening. Each roll is conveniently packed with 15 bags, so you'll never be unprepared.
Hi, I'm Vanessa from Earth Rated. If you're looking for poop bags designed for backyard pickups or to just grab and go on the way out the door, then you've come to the right place. With 2 value pack options, we've got you covered. This box has 300 bags on a large single roll and conveniently dispenses right out of the box. Plus, all our bags are super easy to separate from the roll, so if you want to grab one or a bunch, you're ready to go. Need more than 300 bags? Some dogs are pooping machines. We get it. We offer an even bigger value pack containing 600 bags. Both sizes offer some pretty incredible savings, so either way, you win. Our bags are available in lavender scented or unscented options. We offer a 100% leak-proof guarantee, and with more than enough room to tie a secure knot, nothing's coming out. Responsible pet ownership is what we're all about, and that includes keeping the environment in mind. That's why all of our packaging is made from recycled materials. Your experience is important to us, so if you have any questions about our products or just want to send me a picture of your dog, I'm here for you guys.
Take the stress and mess out of walking the dog with pets in bags. Our compact rolls fits into almost any leash dispenser, or simply pop a roll into the included pets in bags dispenser. Bags dispense effortlessly thanks to our easy tear-off design. These premium quality bags are strong yet lightweight and large enough for big dogs, with extra water resistance coating that ensures water stays out and odor stays in. And unlike plastic baggies, our bags are 100% OXO biodegradable. Good for you, your pooch, and the environment.
You love your dog because they're a part of the family. We want your neighbors to love your dog too. Earth Rated will help you keep your community clean with reliable poop bags at affordable prices. We know each dog owner's different, and that's why there's something for everyone. Like our dispenser. The cute green dispenser is a stylish way to keep your bags close on walks and while traveling. It also has a handy hook on the back to hold used bags and attaches to any size leash. The dispenser includes one roll of bags and is available in both scented and unscented. Earth Rated. Never stop wagging.
Okay,